Here's that forge I was fixing up in an earlier YouTube. If you look at it, you'll see I cut down some lightweight fire brick. I cut them to 3/4 of an inch, plastered them in here with fire cement, put a new 2-year plate in, and then I just gave a skim coat of fire cement over the top, fill the cracks. Came out pretty good. They were cut down and they're lightweight bricks to start with, so it didn't really add much weight to it. This forge had been cracked and actually thrown out. No legs. Put a set of legs on it with some old pipe and X-braced it with some angle iron. Put the champion blower back on here. I took the cap off here, filled this with some chainsaw bar oil, nice heavy stuff. Good blower, good amount of air. So we gave new life to an old forge. Ready to fire it up.